How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the profile. Now tap on this following option. This is your following list. Now how to unfollow all these following lists at once. Right now there is no such feature to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So what you can do is unfollow each of these. All you have to do is tap on the option following. And with that, I have just unfollowed these people. In the case you have used following list and you want to unfollow all of them, what you can do is head to your profile, tap on three horizontal lines given at the top right corner, go to the option settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, head towards the option of help, tap on report a problem, tap on report problem without shaking, tap on include and continue. Now here you have to explain about your problem. You can explain in the similar way as I have done it. After you explain it, you can tap on send. Your request has been submitted. Now within 24 hours, Instagram is gonna get back to you. And with that, it might happen that Instagram unfollows everyone from your following list. So right now, this is the way to unfollow everyone on at once. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.